God warned him again. But this time, the sky itself would strike. Moses spoke. "Let God's people go. Or tomorrow, hail will fall like Egypt's never seen." Some Egyptians believed and hid. But Pharaoh, he didn't flinch. Then the storm fire streaked across the sky. Crops were crushed, trees shattered. Servants and livestock died where they stood. Pharaoh cried out, "I've sinned. Pray to your God, make it stop." Moses did, the storm ceased. But Pharaoh hardened his heart again. Even after fire falls from heaven, pride can still speak louder than truth.